Boeing Defense Space and Security, History, Present and Future. Overview. Boeing Defense Space and Security (BDS) is a pivotal entity in the aerospace industry, having contributed significantly to space exploration, military aviation and satellite development for over 60 years. Despite facing considerable challenges in recent years, Boeing continues to play a vital role in both defense and space sectors. Historical background. Boeing's involvement in aerospace dates back to 1961, when it was selected by NASA to build the SIC first stage of the Saturn V rocket, the most powerful rocket ever operational. This rocket played a crucial role in the Apollo program, enabling humans to land on the Moon. Between 1966 and 1968, Boeing also constructed 5 unmanned lunar orbiters which mapped nearly the entire lunar surface and assisted in landing site selection for the Apollo missions. In the early 2000s, Boeing shifted its focus to support NASA's next-generation launch systems, including the Space Launch System (SLS). The SLS achieved its inaugural flight in 2022, supporting NASA's Artemis program aimed at returning humans to the Moon. Key historical milestones. 1. 1961, NASA selects Boeing to build the SIC first stage of the Saturn V rocket. 2. 1966 to 1968, construction of 5 unmanned lunar orbiters for lunar mapping. 3. 1971 to 1972, development of the lunar roving vehicle for Apollo missions. 4. 2004, Boeing's inertial upper stage IUS completes 24 successful launches. 5. 2011, NASA announces Boeing as the contractor for the SLS core stage. 6. 2022, SLS's first flight successfully sends an uncrewed Orion spacecraft toward the Moon. 7. 2024, challenges arise with the Starliner spacecraft during its test flight to the International Space Station (ISS). Current challenges. Boeing's journey in space exploration has not been without hurdles. In 2024, the Starliner spacecraft encountered significant technical issues during its test flight to the ISS, leading to a decline in public confidence. This incident followed the well-publicized failures of the 737 MAX aircraft, which resulted in tragic crashes and ongoing scrutiny for Boeing. In addition, labor strikes in 2024 further complicated Boeing's production capabilities, affecting timelines for upcoming space missions. As Boeing works to complete its 6 planned crewed Starliner flights before the ISS is decommissioned after 2030, the uncertainty surrounding these technical challenges looms large. Technical issues faced. 1. Starliner test flight failures. The Starliner encountered propulsion system failures and safety concerns during its test missions. 2. 737 MAX crises. The negative attention from the 737 MAX incidents has overshadowed Boeing's achievements in the aerospace sector. 3. Labor strikes. Strikes in 2024 halted production, causing delays and increasing operational pressures. Future outlook. Boeing's future in the aerospace sector remains uncertain. Reports suggest that Boeing may consider divesting its space division to concentrate on commercial aviation and defense systems. Despite this, Boeing's legacy in space exploration is substantial, and its expertise may continue to be relevant in future international collaborations in space endeavors. The company has the potential to play a critical role in upcoming missions, including crewed lunar landings planned for 2025 and 2026 under the Artemis program. Additionally, Boeing's work on the SLS and its related components could enable further exploration beyond Earth's orbit. Conclusion. Boeing Defense Space and Security has made significant contributions to human space exploration over the past 60 years. As the company navigates through technical challenges and public scrutiny, the future of its space initiatives remains a hot topic. Whether Boeing will continue to invest in its aerospace legacy or shift its focus remains to be seen, but its historical impact on space exploration is undeniable. References. 1. Astronomy.com article on Boeing's www.astronomy.com/space exploration / the past, present, and future of Boeing in space / 2. Boeing official website tabs //www.boeing.com/company/about BDS. 3. Boeing Historites //www.boeing.com/history. This report encapsulates the historical journey, current challenges, and potential future of Boeing Defense Space and Security, presenting a comprehensive overview of its role in aerospace development and exploration. Boeing Defense Space and Security (BDS) has long been a cornerstone of aerospace history, with a legacy extending over 6 decades in human space exploration, satellite technology, military aircraft, and weapon systems. The narratives surrounding Boeing often present a straightforward tale of success. But a deeper analysis reveals some counterintuitive insights about its history, present challenges, and future prospects. Historical contributions. Boeing's significant contributions to aerospace began in 1961 when it was selected by NASA to construct the SIC first stage of the Saturn V rocket, a vehicle that propelled astronauts to the moon. While many might view this selection as a straightforward endorsement of Boeing's capabilities, it reflects a dependency on a few key contractors for monumental space projects. The Saturn V is often heralded as the most powerful rocket ever built, but its reliance on Boeing highlights how critical contracts can shape the trajectory of a company. This dependency could suggest that Boeing's future success in space might hinge on similar contracts rather than on independent innovation. Moreover, Boeing's involvement in the Apollo program extended beyond just the Saturn V. The company developed 5 unmanned lunar orbiters that mapped the moon, which led to the successful selection of landing sites for Apollo missions. This multifaceted role in NASA's early space endeavors is often overlooked when discussing Boeing's legacy, emphasizing that its contributions were not merely limited to high-profile projects. Present challenges. Current challenges for Boeing, particularly its space and defense sectors, illustrate a stark contrast to its historical achievements. The recent technical issues with the Starliner spacecraft have significantly impacted public perception. Initially celebrated as a vital component of NASA's strategy to transport astronauts to the International Space Station (ISS), the Starliner has faced multiple setbacks, including propulsion failures and safety concerns. This situation counters the traditional narrative of Boeing as an infallible aerospace titan, revealing vulnerability and a need for accountability. In addition, the aftermath of the 737 MAX crashes continues to haunt Boeing, with lingering reputational damage that affects public trust not only in commercial aviation but also in its space capabilities. The implications of this dual crisis are profound. While Boeing has been a key player in the aerospace sector, its recent setbacks illustrate that such status can be precarious, hinging on consistent performance and safety. Future prospects. The future of Boeing's space endeavors appears uncertain, with reports indicating potential divestment from its aerospace business to focus on commercial aviation and defense systems. This strategic shift seems counterintuitive for a company with such a rich history in space exploration. The logic behind this potential pivot suggests that the company may prioritize short-term financial stability over long-term investment in space, which has historically been a challenging and capital-intensive endeavor. However, abandoning the space sector could undermine Boeing's long-term innovation potential. The company's historical legacy in aerospace has provided it with invaluable experience and technological advancements that could be beneficial in future missions and projects. The tension between focusing on immediate profitability and nurturing a long-term vision for space exploration underscores a critical challenge that many aerospace companies face today. Conclusion. Boeing's Defense Space and Security Department has undoubtedly shaped the landscape of aerospace history. Yet the counterintuitive insights drawn from its past show that reliance on key contracts and the potential for significant setbacks can influence a company's reputation and future direction. As Boeing navigates its present challenges and contemplates its future, It must balance the need for stability with the necessity of innovation and exploration in the ever-evolving field of aerospace. The company's decisions in the coming years will likely determine whether it can maintain its legacy in space or if it will pivot entirely towards more lucrative immediate markets. Important content in the report on Boeing Defense Space and Security. The report on Boeing Defense Space and Security (BDS) provides a comprehensive overview of the company's historical significance, current challenges, and future prospects. While the summary encapsulates key points, there are several important aspects that many readers may overlook. Here we delve deeper into these overlooked elements and discuss their significance. 1. Legacy of technological innovations. One of the most significant yet often underappreciated aspects of Boeing's history is its role in pioneering technological advancements in aerospace. For instance, Boeing's development of the Saturn V rocket's SIC stage was not merely a construction project, it was a monumental achievement that advanced rocket technology and engineering. The Saturn V remains one of the most powerful rockets ever built, and its successful missions to the Moon have had lasting implications for space exploration. Significance. This legacy of innovation is crucial because it illustrates that Boeing was not just a manufacturer of aircraft and spacecraft, it was a leader in engineering solutions that shaped modern aerospace capabilities. Understanding this legacy is important as it highlights the company's potential to contribute to future advancements, especially in a rapidly evolving space industry. 2. Impact of public perception and confidence. The report touches on Boeing's struggles with public perception, particularly following the Starliner testing failures and the 737 MAX incidents. However, the depth of this impact on the company's future operations and partnerships is often understated. The erosion of public confidence can lead to diminished contracts with government agencies and private partnerships. Significance. Public perception is critical in the aerospace sector, especially with government contracts that often hinge on public trust. The challenges Boeing faces in restoring its reputation can influence its ability to secure future projects, which is essential for its survival and innovation in the defense and space sectors. 3. The future of space exploration and international cooperation. The report indicates that Boeing's future in space may involve potential divestiture of its space operations. What is often overlooked is the context of international cooperation in space exploration. NASA and other global space agencies are increasingly reliant on partnerships with private companies for their missions. Boeing's historical partnerships and experience in international projects could play a significant role in maintaining its relevance in future endeavors. Significance. The future of space exploration is likely to be collaborative rather than unilateral. Boeing's ability to navigate these partnerships could determine its success in the post-2020 space environment, where collaboration may become a prerequisite for many missions, particularly those involving lunar and Martian exploration. 4. The role of workforce challenges. The report mentions worker strikes as a challenge Boeing faced recently. However, the implications of workforce stability and morale on Boeing's production capabilities and innovation are not fully explored. Labor relations are crucial, particularly in specialized fields like aerospace, where skilled labor is essential for maintaining quality and safety standards. Significance. High levels of employee dissatisfaction can lead to decreased productivity, increased turnover, and a loss of institutional knowledge, which is vital for an organization that has historically relied on experienced personnel for complex projects. Addressing workforce issues is not just a matter of labor relations, it directly impacts Boeing's operational efficiency and project timelines. 5. The broader context of defense spending. While the report outlines Boeing's current operations and challenges, it fails to adequately consider the broader context of defense spending trends. As geopolitical tensions rise, governments may increase or shift their defense budgets, affecting the contracts awarded to companies like Boeing. Significance. Understanding the broader defense landscape is essential for forecasting Boeing's future revenue streams. The company must adapt to shifting priorities within defense budgets, including potential increases in funding for space-based defense systems and cyber capabilities, which may offer new opportunities for growth. 6. Sustainability and technological adaptation. The report does not extensively cover Boeing's initiatives regarding sustainability, which is becoming increasingly important in the aerospace industry. As global awareness of climate change rises, aerospace companies face pressure to innovate in sustainable technologies. Significance: Boeing's commitment to sustainability could serve as a critical differentiator in its market position. Innovations in sustainable aviation fuel, electric propulsion, and carbon-neutral technologies could not only improve Boeing's public image but also align it with global regulatory trends, ensuring compliance and competitive advantage in the years to come. 7. The importance of historical context in strategic decisions. The historical context of Boeing's operations provides valuable lessons for its strategic direction. The company's past successes and failures in various projects, from the Apollo missions to the Space Launch System, shape its current capabilities and future strategies. Significance: historical insights can inform Boeing's decision-making as it navigates contemporary challenges. Understanding past project management issues, technological hurdles, and stakeholder dynamics can help Boeing avoid repeating mistakes and leverage its strengths more effectively in future endeavors. Conclusion. The Boeing Defense Space and Security report highlights critical historical achievements, current challenges, and future uncertainties. However, the significance of Boeing's legacy and technological advancements, the impact of public perception, the evolving defense landscape, workforce dynamics, sustainability initiatives, and the importance of historical context is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of the company's trajectory. Recognizing these overlooked elements will provide a more nuanced perspective on Boeing's role in the aerospace sector and its potential for future contributions to defense and space exploration. 1. Historical contributions and legacy. Boeing Defense Space and Security (BDS) has a rich history that spans over 6 decades, significantly influencing U.S. space exploration and defense. Key milestones include the construction of the Saturn V's SAC first stage, participation in the Apollo program, and the development of the Space Launch System (SLS). These contributions not only facilitated the U.S. presence in space but also laid the groundwork for future exploratory missions, including the Artemis program aimed at returning humans to the Moon. Analyzing Boeing's historical achievements allows us to understand the foundational role it has played in shaping modern aerospace technology and its lasting impact on international space endeavors. 2. Current challenges and management issues. In recent years, Boeing has faced numerous challenges that have affected its reputation and operations. High-profile technical failures such as the Starliner spacecraft's issues during its test flights and the aftermath of the 737 MAX crashes have led to public distrust and scrutiny. Additionally, labor strikes have disrupted production lines. The examination of these challenges reveals critical insights into corporate governance, crisis management, and the complexities of maintaining safety and quality in aerospace manufacturing. Understanding these issues is vital for evaluating Boeing's resilience and adaptability in a competitive and high-stakes industry. 3. Technological innovations and future prospects. Looking ahead, Boeing's potential future in space exploration and defense hinges on its ability to innovate and adapt. The company's ongoing projects such as the SLS and the development of the Exploration Upper Stage EUS signal its commitment to advancing human spaceflight capabilities. However, speculation about divesting its space business to concentrate on commercial aviation raises questions about the company's strategic direction. An in-depth analysis of Boeing's technological innovations, partnerships like the United Launch Alliance, and strategic decisions will provide valuable insights into the future landscape of aerospace and defense and Boeing's role within it. For international collaboration and market dynamics, Boeing's involvement in international partnerships and collaborations, particularly in the context of space exploration and defense, underscores the importance of global cooperation in these fields. As nations increasingly collaborate on projects like the International Space Station and future lunar missions, Boeing's role as a key player is critical. Analyzing these international dynamics along with Boeing's market positioning against competitors will illuminate the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. This aspect is crucial for understanding how geopolitical factors influence aerospace and defense industries and how Boeing can navigate these complexities to maintain its leadership. 1. Lockheed Martin's role in space exploration. Lockheed Martin has a long history of contributions to space exploration akin to Boeing's legacy. The company was instrumental in the development of the Mars exploration rovers, including Spirit and Opportunity, which landed on Mars in 2004 and provided extensive data about the planet's geology and potential for past life. Lockheed Martin also played a significant role in the design and development of the Orion multi-purpose crew vehicle, which is set to be used in NASA's Artemis program to return humans to the Moon. The challenges faced by Lockheed in the Orion program, including delays and budget overruns, mirror some of the difficulties Boeing has encountered with its Starliner spacecraft. 2. Northrop Grumman's development of the Space Shuttle. Northrop Grumman, formerly known as Northrop Corporation, was a key player in the development of the Space Shuttle program, contributing to the design and manufacturing of several vital components, including the shuttle's external tank and solid rocket boosters. Similar to Boeing, Northrop Grumman faced numerous challenges during the shuttle's operational lifetime, including technical setbacks and safety concerns following the Challenger and Columbia disasters. The legacy of the Space Shuttle, which was crucial for human spaceflight and the construction of the International Space Station, parallels Boeing's contributions to space exploration and human spaceflight. 3. NASA's Apollo program and its challenges. The Apollo program, which successfully landed humans on the Moon, serves as a historical example of the complexities and triumphs inherent in space exploration. Managed by NASA with significant contributions from various contractors including Boeing, the program faced considerable challenges such as the Apollo 1 tragedy, which resulted in the loss of 3 astronauts during a pre-launch test due to a cabin fire. This incident prompted major changes in safety protocols and engineering practices. The lessons learned from Apollo's successes and failures continue to inform current aerospace endeavors, similar to how Boeing's recent challenges with the Starliner and 737 MAX have prompted shifts in operational and safety practices. Future outlook, predictions for Boeing Defense Space and Security. Boeing Defense Space and Security (BDS) has been a cornerstone in shaping aerospace and defense sectors for over 6 decades. As it stands on the precipice of potential transformation and challenges, several predictions can be made regarding its future. 1. Continued commitment to space exploration. Boeing is likely to maintain its involvement in NASA's Artemis program, especially with the upcoming crewed lunar missions planned for 2025 and 2026. The success of the Space Launch System (SLS) and the Orion spacecraft will be critical for Boeing to regain public confidence. Given the increasing focus on lunar and Martian exploration, Boeing could also expand its partnerships with international space agencies, leading to collaborative projects that encompass satellite launches and scientific missions. 2. Technological innovations in defense systems. With global defense spending on the rise, Boeing is expected to innovate in unmanned systems, cybersecurity, and advanced missile technologies. The integration of artificial intelligence and machine learning into defense applications will likely be a focus area, enhancing operational efficiency and decision-making capabilities. Boeing may also delve deeper into hypersonic technology, given its strategic importance in modern warfare. 3. Potential restructuring of the space division. Reports suggest that Boeing might consider divesting its space business to concentrate on commercial aircraft and defense systems. Such a move could enable the company to streamline operations and allocate resources more effectively. However, given the legacy of Boeing in space and the potential for lucrative contracts in satellite communications and exploration, a full divestiture seems unlikely. Instead, a strategic partnership or joint ventures might be a more plausible route, allowing Boeing to retain a stake in the growing space market while focusing on its core competencies. 4. Emphasis on sustainability and space economy. Boeing is likely to pivot towards sustainable practices in both defense and aerospace sectors. As global concerns about climate change intensify, Boeing may invest in developing eco-friendly technologies including sustainable aviation fuels and electric propulsion systems. Additionally, as the space economy expands, Boeing could explore new business models such as space tourism, orbital habitats, and in-space manufacturing, positioning itself as a leader in the commercial space sector. 5. Increased competition and market dynamics. Boeing will face heightened competition from emerging aerospace companies and established players like SpaceX and Northrop Grumman. The commercialization of space and advancements in technology will necessitate that Boeing remain agile and responsive to market trends. Strategic alliances or acquisitions may become essential for Boeing to maintain its competitive edge and technological prowess. 6. Focus on workforce development and talent retention. Recent challenges, including labor strikes and technical setbacks, highlight the importance of workforce stability and skill development. Boeing is expected to invest in training programs and initiatives to attract and retain top talent in engineering, software development, and cybersecurity. Collaborations with educational institutions may also become a key strategy to ensure a steady pipeline of skilled workers. 7. Geopolitical influences on defense contracts. The geopolitical landscape will significantly impact Boeing's defense sector. As nations prioritize their military capabilities amid rising tensions, Boeing is poised to benefit from increased defense budgets and modernization programs globally. However, political relationships and trade dynamics will influence the awarding of contracts, making it essential for Boeing to navigate these complexities effectively. 8. Adaptation to technological disruptions. The rapid pace of technological advancement means that Boeing must continuously adapt to new challenges. Innovations such as blockchain for supply chain management, augmented reality for training, and digital twins for aircraft design and maintenance will become increasingly relevant. Embracing these technologies will be crucial for Boeing to enhance operational efficiency and reduce costs. Conclusion. The future of Boeing Defense Space and Security is filled with both opportunities and challenges. As it seeks to navigate a rapidly evolving aerospace landscape, its ability to innovate, adapt, and leverage its historical strengths will determine its success. Whether through partnerships, technological advancements, or a renewed focus on core competencies, Boeing has the potential to continue shaping the future of defense and space for years to come.